Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how you can handle all your social media handles at one place. So whenever you are starting any campaign, you are starting any business, so you have the social media handles, say on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, or any other social media account. So you have to post every story, every reel to all the social media handles. So it is sometimes take quite a lot of time to handle all the social media accounts and posting each and every post individually on different social media accounts. So in this video, I'll let you know about the 4 websites that will allow you to manage all the social media accounts at one place. So let me take you to the first website. It's everypost.me. So it allows you to post on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn at one place. You don't have to open again and again about your Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn account. So with this website, everypost.me, it will allow you to handle all the your content, your all post at one place. So every post makes it easy to create visual content from a variety of sources, customize and schedule post. So this is another feature that you can also schedule your post. If you don't want to post it right now, you can set the timeline as well so that your post can be posted on your different social media accounts at once. And it has great control over your social pages. All-in-one publishing solution is the simplest and the most convenient way to share multimedia content across multiple social platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So this is one website. Another one is hootsuite.com. You might be aware about this website. It's a very easy and you can say that very popular. So you can see some testimonials on the website. So you can manage social media accounts in one place, light up your profiles, you can plan your content with ease and stay on top of trends, and you can post on time and every time. So you can explore the features this website offers. So you can choose the right plan when you are able to start. You can start with the free trial as well, and they provide some free classes for beginners on how you can manage your social media accounts at Hootsuite. Another one is IFTTT. They say that everything works better together, so you can quickly and easily automate your favorite apps and devices on IFTTT. So it has the more, you can say that it is a more powerful tool than we have another some websites or tools. So this IFTTT is famous mainly for different kind of automations. You can say that it customize and control your integrations with some filter codes, queries, multiple actions, and the ability to connect multiple accounts per service. So they also have the plans, so you can choose as per your requirement. And if you have some, like, you can say that you have the number of applets, you have some customer, you want to give some customer support as well, and you can explore the unlimited services from IFTTT. So you can see that they have the different plans. You can also try it free. You can give the trial to see what features in different plans they are offering. So you can go as per your requirement, because every business have their own requirements. We can't say that IFTTT will benefit all, Hootsuite will benefit all, or every post will benefit all. So all the businesses, all the campaigns have different requirements. So as per the requirement, you can choose any plan. And the fourth and the last one is Buffer. So if I got some news that Google Fundamentals of Digital Marketing, they have the course and they have also recommended Buffer, that if you want to manage all your social media accounts at one place, so you can choose Buffer, and they have also recommended Hootsuite. So these were the two famous website wherein you can create an account and you can link your social media accounts, and you can manage all at once. So you can analyze first, then publish, you can engage your audience, and then you can celebrate that on social media accounts you have managed all your posts, your reels, your shorts, everything you want to post. So it can be done here using the Buffer. So analyze, they say that you can measure your social media performance in a few clicks. They will also give you some analytics, and then you can plan and publish your content. You can collaborate and plan your campaigns, that on the scheduling basis on which day you want to post, if any festival is coming or anything related to your business, that particular days are coming, so you can plan accordingly. So you can respond to the comments as well, because as you are handling all the social media accounts at one page or at one place, so you have the access to comment all the social media comments you are receiving on your campaign, on your post. So then business all over the world trust Buffer to build their brand. So they have many testimonials, they have statistics related to their businesses. So they have the support team as well, help center. You can connect with them. So these are the four websites. Let me brief you once again. One is everypost.me, second one is hootsuite.com, third one is iftt.com, and the fourth one is buffer.com. So now you can explore all these four websites and can match your requirements, can choose your plan, so that it will become easier for you to manage all the social media accounts at one place instead of going one by one to all the apps and then posting your content. Thank you so much. I hope that this video will be helpful, so you can share in your circle, you can like the video, and you can subscribe the channel for more stuff like this. Thank you so much.